Hello, you are on Robust Tutorials. So today we are going to discuss an exam which is called IELTS exam, and it's popularly known as International English Language Testing System. And this test is held worldwide, and this test is conducted by two agencies. One is called the British Council, and the second one is called the IDP of Australia. And this test is taken by students and working people as well, because this test is held in two versions, you can say. One is called the IELTS academic, and second one is called the IELTS general. IELTS general is taken by those who want to migrate abroad and work abroad, and IELTS academic is taken by those who want to study abroad. And we are now going to discuss the various modalities involved in this test. So let's start. First of all, speaking could be held first on, but it's not necessary that speaking will be held before the main test. Main test means listening, reading and writing. Speaking would be held after this listening, reading and writing test. So let's discuss first of all about it is held for 1 hour, and in this 1 hour you will have to solve 40 questions. So if that means you have 60 minutes for solving 40 questions. So if we'll divide 60 minutes by 40 questions, we will have an idea that how much time should we spare for each question. So this time will come around, I think 60 by 40 is 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 is 1.5 minutes per question. So that means you have 1.5 minutes per question. But remember that as you will have to transfer your answers also, so you won't have 1.5 minutes. In fact, you should take less than 1.5 minutes per question. And never get stuck on any single question. If something is not striking your mind, just let it go and attempt the next question. Now let's talk about speaking. Reading first test. Of all, as I've told you that you will have 40 questions, and these questions will have various types of questions. The first question is a multiple choice single answer question. For example, a question is why do the Spaniards drink coffee? Spaniards mean the people of Spain. Indians are the people who live in India. Japanese are the people who live in Japan, and so on. So why do the Spaniards drink coffee? Now, if you will read the passage says that the people of Spain do not drink coffee for its taste or to get instant energy, but for its aroma. However, the belief that caffeine, which the coffee contains, makes people go for it is just a myth. Just a myth, right? And you have options as first option is for its good smell. Second option is since it has good taste. Then you have third option as it provides quick energy, and fourth option is because it contains caffeine. Now if you will study the four options, now which option do you think is the best one? First one, for its good smell, maybe it could be the answer. Since it has good taste, no, because in the first line itself the writer has written that the people of Spain do not drink coffee for its taste or to get instant energy. So taste is not the answer, because the writer has clearly discarded first option, the second option. And now let's discuss the third option, as it provides quick energy. No, it can't be the answer as well, because in the first line itself the writer has said that instant, not the Spaniards do not drink for energy, also for getting instant energy, that means quick energy. So third option is also gone. Third option is not the answer, because it contains caffeine. Now for caffeine, the writer has said that in the last line the writer said it is just a myth. Just a myth. Myth, what does myth mean? Myth means some belief which is apparently true but actually it is not. So the fourth option also goes off. So three options, the second, third and fourth, goes off. So we are left with only first option, that is since it has good smell. Right. So there will be instances when the writer will say a number of things, but they will discard it. They will say in the negative sense. And sometimes it can also happen that some of the options may not be in the paragraph itself. So although here all the four options were there. Now let's discuss this was the first question we discussed. Now let us discuss second question. Second question is multiple choices, multiple answers question. Now what happens is that in this type of questions you may have to choose 2, 3 or maybe 4 options also out of maybe 4, 5 or 6 choices, or maybe 7 choices also. So for example, the question is why do the humans dislike wild animals? And the passage, what the passage says, the ferocity and the pong which wild animals give out from their bodies is so disgusting that no human being likes to go near them. However, their huge body sizes have nothing to do with their being disliked. This is the small passage. Now first option is since they are huge bodied. Second is as they do not like human beings. Third option, because they emit bad smell. Fourth option, as nobody is allowed to go near them. And fifth option, since they are too dangerous. Now if we will discuss that in the paragraph, it's the ferocity and the pong which wild animals give out from their bodies is so disgusting. Now what is ferocity? I don't know what's the meaning of ferocity. Maybe some people also don't know the meaning of pong. So what to do? Now at least we have in the last line it said that however their huge body sizes have nothing to do with their being disliked. So first option, since they are huge bodied, so first option I think goes off because the writer has himself or herself discarded the first option. Second option, as they do not like human beings. As they do not like human beings. No, it can't be because question says that why do humans dislike wild animals? But in the option it's other way around. So second can't be the answer as well. Third option, because they emit bad smell. Maybe, but I don't know. Then fourth option, as nobody is allowed to go near them. Nobody is allowed to go near them. But in the passage, if you read carefully, that no human beings likes to go near them. So human beings themselves do not want to go near wild animals. It is not that somebody has disallowed them to go near wild animals. So obviously our fourth option can't be true. Last option, since they are too dangerous. Maybe yes, it could be the answer. Since we have discarded the first and second and fourth, So we are left with only third and fifth option. So obviously third and fifth are the correct choices. It is actually they are correct answers in fact as well, because Pong means bad smell and too dangerous means ferocious. So too ferocious, these animals are too ferocious. So obviously, although I didn't know the answer because ferocity I didn't know what does it mean, but ferocious animals means dangerous animals. So this technique you can also adopt if you don't know the meaning of some word. So that was all. I hope you like the video, and you can subscribe to my channel, and share this video to others also. So bye for now.